Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch, and I make videos about how to fix, build, and increase your credit score. I'm also going to be speaking and making videos about tips and tricks that nobody speaks about, and like my videos are going to go more into depth about the credit world. So if this is a topic you're interested in, you should definitely consider subscribing, as I'm going to be uploading 3 videos per week. On a good week, I'm going to do 5, but my goal is to do at least 3 videos per week. Alright guys, so what is Credit Karma? Credit Karma, oh, just a little shout out. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, right here's those are my, I only have 2 Instagrams. It's this one and that one. This one's a new one. But anyway, sorry guys. Credit Karma is a San Francisco based company founded in 2007. Also, Credit Karma is a safe website to view your credit reports and scores. A lot of people would think it's a scam. It's not, guys. It's perfectly safe. I use it. I recommend it. Credit Karma is a non-profit business and not a charity. So I had to point that out, guys. Sorry. It has more than 80 million members as of October 2018. I couldn't get an accurate number as of 2019, but this is the closest accurate number that I can get from the company. Bottom line, guys, it allows you to monitor your scores, your credit scores and reports for free. So, like, I get this question asked a lot, like, okay, if it doesn't ask you to put your credit card, how is it that Credit Karma makes its money if it's free? And guys, I think that's an awesome question. So I wrote it down here, and I hope I was able to kind of break it down so you guys can easily understand how it makes its money. So one, by showing you advertisements, and I mean like Bank of America credit cards, and just read. Let me just finish the video. So one, by showing you advertisement. 2, by affiliated links. So what that means is referring you services from other banks or other entities. Okay. By accessing your credit reports, Credit Karma suggests credit products based on your current history. It also uses your credit score and history to determine which products like loans, credit cards, and other banking products to advertise to you, and hopefully you apply. By you applying, they get paid whether or not you get approved, because they referred you. If it wasn't for Credit Karma, you wouldn't have applied. So that's what it means by sorry guys, got a text message. For them, you would have not even bothered to apply. So that's how they make their money, guys. Is Credit Karma a legitimate company? I think I spoke about this in the first slide. Yes, Credit Karma is safe. In fact, its services are 100% free to consumers without asking for any credit card to sign up. So like I said, guys, I do recommend Credit Karma. I hope you got a little background history of the company, of how long it's been in business. It's 100% free. I do want to mention though, your scores. I do want to mention. Let me re-say this. It only gives you 2 credit scores. So it only gives you TransUnion and Equifax. It does not give you Experian, which Experian is, like, usually in my opinion, it's like the best one, like the one that most companies go like the one they pull up, the one that they actually want to see. But a lot of banks use TransUnion and Equifax, so you're still good. And also the other thing that I do want to point out is that your credit scores are just an estimate. So for example, I've said it in other times before, my credit score is like around, it always fluctuates between 780 to 800, but in Credit Karma, my credit score fluctuates from 750 to 740, sometimes even 730, which is still a good credit score. But so like in my case, my FICO score is actually higher than what Credit Karma is showing me. So in some cases as well, your credit score can actually be like lower than what Credit Karma is like showing you. So for example, if Credit Karma is telling you that your credit score is like 703, your FICO score is actually like 780. So it's something to just keep in the back of your mind, guys. It's not 100% reliable, but it's a good estimate to find out where exactly you stand. So that is it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope if you learned something new from this video, give me a thumbs up or even a thumbs down. Either way, I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, I highly recommend that you subscribe and turn on your bell for notifications. I hope you guys have an amazing day. All the links are going to be down in the description if you want to connect with me. And like my mantra, guys, if you guys are not aware of it, is let's outsmart these creditors. Alright guys, till next video.